Are you new to CapCut and want to learn how to edit on CapCut video editor? Then this video is for you. In this complete beginner's tutorial, I will show you how to edit your video on CapCut from start to finish. Whether you are editing for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube, or personal projects, this easy CapCut tutorial will teach you all the basics you need to get started. Importing your video clip to CapCut, to trimming and splitting, inserting text and caption, adding effects, filters and stickers, and to exporting your final projects. CapCut is one of the best video editing app for beginners that is easy to navigate with constant practice. If you ever said, I want to learn how to edit with CapCut but don't know where to begin with, then this video is a must watch. So grab your phone, open CapCut, and let's dive into it. But before then, what is CapCut? CapCut is a video editing app that works on both iPhone, Android, and PC. With its great features, it is perfect for beginners, content creators, and basically anyone who wants to create eye-catching videos without any complicated software. Alright, now let's start editing. First step, open CapCut. And if you don't have CapCut on your mobile device, quickly go to App Store or Play Store to download and install to your phone. Once you are done downloading and installing CapCut to your device, now open CapCut. You will see new project. Tap on the plus button to import your project. That is, select the video clip or the photos you want to edit from your phone gallery. You can select multiple clips by tapping more than 2 or 3 clips. And once you are done, tap on add. But for this video, we'll be using just one clip. Once you pick the clip you want to edit on, tap on add at the bottom of this video. Now we are inside CapCut editing timeline. Once you get here, the first thing to do is to pick the aspect ratio of your video. Aspect ratio allows you to pick any of the frame that fit into any of the social medium. Tap on aspect ratio and select any frame. For example, the 9:16 aspect ratio is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and YouTube Short, that is portrait. And the 16:19 aspect ratio is for landscape, that is YouTube long form videos. Once you pick the landscape, use your hand to adjust it to fit into the frame. So that is the work of the aspect ratio. Make sure you pick your aspect ratio as soon as you import your video to CapCut before you go ahead to start editing. Once you are done picking the aspect ratio of your video, scroll down and tap on reduce noise. This helps reduce the background noise of your video. It will not remove all the noise, but it will reduce the background noise of your video. Do this before you split your video. It makes it easier so you won't be doing it batch by batch. Tap reduce noise, tap here and tap on OK. The background noise of your video is reduced. Now let's start with the first basic feature, which is split. Split allows you to divide your video into 2 or 3 parts. You might want to divide your video to apply different features to it or to even delete some part. This is how to use the split. Highlight your video by tapping on it and the split will appear here. Tap on split. You've divided your video into 2. If you want more parts, you can scroll to the part you want to split, highlight it and tap on split. You've split your video. If you want to delete any of those parts due to mistakes or you don't want that part to be in your video, you can tap that part at the back and at the front. Just go to the part you want to delete, tap it and split, and tap the back to split, then delete that very part out. So you can use the split feature to also delete the parts of the video you don't want. The next feature to use is trimming. To trim, tap the end of the video or the beginning of the video to drag it inward, that is reducing the length of the video or removing the part of the video
you don't want. If the part of the video is in the middle, just go there, split it and drag it like this. That means you've removed the part of the video you don't want. So that is what trimming works for. It helps remove the part of the video you don't want. The next one is add text. To add text, tap on text, then tap on add text. Type in your text and customize it by choosing the font style, color, animation, text template to suit any of your content. You can also go ahead to change the text background and more. There are several text templates for any niche, so play around the text template and spice up your text. Quick tips: you can use text to introduce topics, add captions, or emphasize on key points. Now we move to add music and sound effects. Let's add some life to your videos with music or sound. Tap on audio, choose from free music or sound available on CapCut if you are uploading to TikTok. But if you are uploading to YouTube, kindly use copyright free music or sound. Don't use the one from CapCut because you might get strike from YouTube. To add music from your device, once you tap on audio, then sound, tap on device. You can pick music from your gallery to add to your video. But if you are uploading to YouTube, be careful of the music or sound you use because you can easily get copyright strike. To get free copyright music, go to YouTube Audio Lab and download free copyright sound and music where you will have no problem uploading to YouTube. To add music from CapCut, just tap on audio and pick any free copyright music from CapCut and add, but be careful of the platform you are uploading it to. Still on sound, to add sound effects to your video like clapping, clicking, tapping, or laughing, tap on audio, then scroll to sound effects. In sound effects, you see all the available sound here. Now pick any sound that suits your video. You can use sound to introduce your video, to create attention. So pick any sound that suits your video and tap on the plus button. For example, this is the clapping sound and this is the clock clicking sound. So make use of the sound effect in your video. The next one is to add voiceover to your video. That is talking over a video or a photo. Now to add voiceover, tap on audio, scroll to where you see the microphone icon. Tap on it and tap on the blue circle to start recording. Once you are done recording, tap on check, that is okay. Go ahead to listen to the voice. If you are satisfied with it, go ahead to continue editing your video. If you are not satisfied with it, tap on delete and re-record your voice. A quick one: always write down your script for the voiceover so it will be easier and faster for you to record your voice over. The next one is auto caption. To make use of the auto caption, tap on captions, then auto caption. Auto caption allows you to convert all what you've been saying in your video to text, so it helps your audience to understand better what you've been saying in your video. To use the auto caption, tap on auto caption, pick the template you want to make use of and tap on generate. Give it a few seconds to convert all the words in your video to text. You can go ahead to change the font style and customize it the way you want. That is it for caption. Now, how to add stickers to your video. Scroll to stickers and tap on it. Then you see several stickers available that suit any content idea. Go ahead, browse it and pick any stickers that you like, that you think will fit your content. Once you search and see the sticker that you want, go ahead to use it for your video. There are different types of stickers available. Go ahead, make use of them for your video. It's very easy to add stickers to your videos. To add effects to your video, tap on effects. You see video effect, body effect, and photo effect. Tap on video effect. You can apply the blur effect, zoom, lens, and many more effects. browse through it, and for the body effect, this is what the body effects look like. Browse through them and check any effect that you want. Then for the photo effect, you have to give CapCut permission to add the photo effect to your video. Now here is how to add filters to your videos. Filter make your video look polished. To add filter, just tap on filters and go through all the available filters. You can pick any of these filters just like this. You can adjust the intensity by increasing or reducing it. You can also use the adjust tool to polish your video. Tap on adjust. There you will find saturation, contrast, brightness, sharpness, temperature, hue, and so many more that you can use to fine-tune your video. Let me not get it complicated for you since you are a beginner, but please go through this. You use it to fine-tune your video, and constant practice will help you get used to most of these features available in CapCut. Now, animation. In animation, you can use animation for your video clip. Like we have the zoom in animation. This is how to apply it. And the zoom out animation, this is how to use it. Just tap on it. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed. Animation also spice up your video. You can use animation together with sound effects. This helps cause attention to your video. For example, let's make use of one animation. So this is how to use animation. You can use animation for some part of your video. Make sure you split the part you want to use, apply the animation, and continue with your editing. Once you are done editing your video, you are satisfied and happy with the results, tap on export to export your video. Choose your resolution. I will recommend you pick this resolution for most platforms. Tap on it and export your video. It will automatically save to your gallery. Don't share your video to social media directly from CapCut. Go to your gallery, pick your videos, and share to any of your social media platform. And before you export your video, make sure you increase the brightness of your phone. It will also help give your video the output that you want. And don't forget to also increase the volume of your phone before exporting your video. Don't just learn once and sit. You can go back to rewatch this video, and with constant practice, you will discover more features in CapCut. This is just the basic. Make sure you practice on a regular basis to get the best out of CapCut.
This is the basic part of CapCut. With constant practice and usage, you'll be able to unlock more features and how to apply them to your videos. Here are some quick tips for beginners. Keep your editing simple and focus more on telling your story. Rewatch the tutorials and practice regularly so you don't forget the ones you learned. Another thing you should take note of is that 99% of CapCut features are now pro. When I made my first video on how to edit on CapCut, most of the features were free. This is an update video to let you know that most of the features in CapCut are now pro. So you have to pay to access most of the pro features in CapCut. Though they still have some free features, but most of the features you will need as a content creator, even as a beginner content creator, is pro. And for you to enjoy CapCut now and get the best out of it, you need to subscribe to CapCut Pro. The price is quite expensive for those of us in this part of the world, but there is a formula you can use which is called the sharing formula. The sharing formula allows you to team up with friends or other creators, contribute your money, and subscribe to Pro, to either CapCut Pro or CapCut Team. This is because CapCut allows multiple users for each Pro or Team, and it will drastically reduce the cost of subscribing to Pro. So if you are a small content creator and you really want to get the best out of CapCut or create that eye-catching videos, Please look the other creators or your friends, team up with them and subscribe to CapCut Pro. I bet you won't regret doing that. And that is it. You just learned how to edit on CapCut as a complete beginner. Most importantly, don't forget to practice on a regular basis. I am also open for one-on-one coaching on how to use CapCut or video editing. Kindly send a message on the link I will drop in this video description. Or you can reach me on Instagram, same name as my YouTube channel. Wait. Before we conclude, don't forget to delete the default CapCut ending in your video. This is what I'm talking about. You can tap here to delete it or delete it permanently by going back to CapCut's homepage, tap here and tap this place. Once you tap it and turn it off, it will not appear at the end of your video. Most people always forget they export their videos without turning off this default ending. Make sure you turn it off before you export your videos or turn it off permanently. Now, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and also turn on your notification. See you in my next video.